Good morning. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm super sick at the Indianapolis trade show for the WWETT Show. We've had an amazing turnout here, and I just wanted to do some housekeeping, get them out of the way. Maybe my voice will come back, maybe it won't. So, trade show secrets, I wanted to talk to you guys about a little bit about what I do at trade shows. I've been on the road, probably why I'm sick, different states, different planes, different places, different climates. So, I got sick. Anyway, thank you to my staff of all my amazing coworkers. You guys are incredible for covering me while I'm away. Thank you to Caroline for booking all of these trade shows and having the connections that you do and being able to bring me into speaking engagements because I did get an opportunity to speak on Monday to an incredible amount of people, which is a great way to be able to affect so many people at trade shows. Because today we can't just get to a booth. It's not like the olden days where we would walk around the trade show and be able to go to each booth. Today, it's all about mass media, social media, and getting out there and being able to um, speak to people. There are so many other layers to it. So I look at this now today and say, let's pull apart a trade show. You're there to be able to sell your services, to be able to affect people and have them understand who you are and how you do business. So we put in 15, 18-hour days. We're at the booth, we're taking people to dinner, we're talking about their business and understanding them at a whole different level so that they can become a better run business. CEO Warrior, that's what we do, right? We go into businesses and help them to become better. And we in turn become better because that is what we do for them. So I look at trade shows as telling them, how do we ask the right questions when people come to our booth? How do we get people to our booth? You need to be able to shake hands, kiss babies, kind of thing, right? I mean, it has to be about how are we showing up at these events. It's not about the giveaways. Like, I don't want people coming to me just because we have some kind of gimmick to give away. We have knowledge. We want to ask some questions. We want to impart some kind of value to them. So, what are you doing in order to get people over there? Speaking engagement is definitely top tier because then they know that they can come to your booth. So, that is what we have been doing really, really, really well at this event. And thank you to all of our new warriors and the ones that are coming to Nashville in 2 weeks. So, if you're not on board to coming to Nashville, then you absolutely 100% need to be in that room. uh, Nashville, March 6th and 7th. You can find it on our website under what we offer. So we're super excited for that. And then also, we are going to be in Las Vegas next week at the Rilla event. So, for those of you who are going to be there, we have a booth at the Rilla event in Las Vegas. Hopefully, I have my voice back. Maybe some of you are happy that I don't have my voice, but we're going to be there and super excited because there's apparently about 700 people who are attending the Rilla event, and that is going to be super cool. So I'm going to get ready to go back down to the trade show. I just wanted to say a quick hello. If you are at the WWETT Show in Indianapolis, we are here, booth 1201. Come by and say hello. Um, there's always something to learn, and we have an incredible group of people that we have the honor and privilege to be with at this event. So me and my tissues will be over at booth 1201. Looking forward to it. And then for those of you who are in Vegas next week, and those of you who are joining us in Nashville in 2 weeks. So have a great day. See you soon.